At about the 4 to 6 week period after you've installed your package bees, things start to grow rapidly, but you've already finished feeding. You just monitor the hives, monitor the comb building in the second box. If the second box gets full, that's going to be their primary house, the first 2 boxes. If they're still bringing in nectar in July, you could add a 3rd box and harvest that honey. But then you need to monitor the hive through July and into August for the nectar stores. Typically what happens in this area, it's hot and dry, and the nectar disappears. We go into what's called a nectar dearth. If you're in a hot, dry valley like Sonoma Valley or some of the other hot, dry valleys in the area, nectar dearth can start in May, and there just won't be any food for the rest of the year. So harvesting honey from bees when there's a nectar dearth is not a great idea. What you may find is that box full of honey in July is gone in August. Bees will start consuming honey instead of making it or bringing it in. Most beekeepers don't expect honey in the first season. All the beekeeping books tell you not to expect honey in the first season. The conditions have been drier lately, and typically we don't collect honey in the first season.